you can see they have some grid, and sometimes if I zoom out and we see the grid are being smaller, and if I zoom, then we're seeing our grid are being very big. So what we can do here, or what we can remove that grid if we need to remove that, just simply come here and just see they have the option grid mode, display drawing grid. Just simply click here, just see they have no grid view here. Again, if you click here, just see they have a grid option. I mean grid are available now here. And also they have another option, just press F7 of your keyboard and see grid are gone, and again click F7 to appear your grid. Same way, click F7 and it will disappear. So this is the way to remove your grid system from AutoCAD.